Download Epic Games Store on your Samsung device. Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browse our YouTube channel. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process. So now, without further ado, let's jump right into the video, and please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more how-to videos. Now, if you go to Play Store and you search for, and here in Play Store if you search for Epic Games, nothing will show up. So what you need to do, guys, to install Epic Games is very simple. You just need to look for Galaxy Store. You can go here in the search bar and write Galaxy Store right here. Open a Galaxy Store, and over here we can actually search for Epic Games. One second, close, and now search your Epic Games, and over here, guys, we have Epic Games. Now guys, why I recommend to use Galaxy Store, because there's a bunch of videos on YouTube and they're telling you to go on Google and write Epic Games APK and then download the APK file and just download this Epic Games from some random websites. And I actually tried this first, and then I downloaded the file on my computer and I scanned the file with an antivirus to see if there's any virus, and there were a lot of viruses, so Trojan. And that's why I recommend, guys, please listen, do not download APK files using some random websites, or even if you download some files, scan the files before installing the app in your phone. So now why I recommend using Galaxy Store is because I'm 100% sure the app doesn't have any viruses. So that's why. Now just tap on the don't install now, and yes, that's the video, guys. I hope this video provides you with value. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more how-to videos. Thank you for watching this video.